Alright, yes guys, welcome to the live stream. What is everyone saying this morning? Everyone doing well? So let's get straight into the bias, guys. So daily time frame, right, we actually came down. So yesterday we respected this daily imbalance and we pushed towards the drawn liquidity, which was obviously this swing high, which I mentioned to all of you. And that is exactly how I determine bias every single day, right? I look for inefficiencies. If we're inside of a bullish fair value gap and we respect that gap, what is the next draw? It's going to be that daily swing high. Where did price go? It went to that swing high, exactly as we predicted. So that drawn liquidity has now been met, hence the daily time frame, I am neutral. If we jump down into the 4 hour as well, looks very neutral to me. 1 hour looks more bullish, right? But now that we've taken London highs and previous daily high, again, neutral. So going into the open 15-minute time frame and the 1 minute, I'm definitely looking for shorts, right? We've swept London highs and also previous daily high. So what I'll be looking for here is a displacement lower and a potential short opportunity. This actually looks very clean on the S, so we've already displaced and we've created a unicorn model on the S. This gap's getting respected, so if we get a potential entry at 9.45 off this gap, I will be taking a short position. Alright, so ES just took London lows, so yeah, definitely won't be taking these shorts at the moment. The trade already played out. It's outside the macro, hence for me is not valid. Okay, ES just tap that, guys.
Order filled.
I'm just targeting that next high there. 36.75. Alright, move your stops in just 1 minute, guys. I'm going to wait for this swing low to get created first before we start moving our stops. 683.75. Alright, moving stops. Reduce your risks there. Boys, we are pushing up, we are pushing up. This is super clean right now. super clean. Yeah, so far so good, guys. Keep your stops at that swing low. Risking about 7 handles there. And I've just realized we actually took that outside the macro by accident. I actually had no idea. I got so distracted with the chat. We actually did this outside the macro. So as soon as ES tapped it, went long literally a minute before. But yeah, I mean, you would have got an entry anyway at 10:45, which is good. So that's completely fine. But yeah, my mistake there, boys. My mistake. Usually you always wait for macro, right? 100% always wait for macro. But yeah, just human error there. Human error. See that next high get broken through. We can start moving our stops. Alright, we're still in this trade, guys. Don't worry about it. Alright, it is reversing right now, but it's completely fine. Stops are in a valid spot. If this is the first loss that we have to take, then that's completely normal. We take the loss. But either way, still a completely valid trade. Right, yes, we entered a little bit before the macro, simply just because I got distracted. Right, usually I'm waiting for the macro. So anyways, it gave us an entry into the macro anyway, so hence it's valid. We actually would have got a better entry if we waited for the macro. But yeah, that's my fault there. I was looking at the chat, wasn't really focusing too much, and we entered before the macro. But yeah, trade looks still very, very clean. Looks super clean, guys. So Not moving stops yet, guys. I want to see that high get broken through. Only then I'm going to start moving stops, alright? Alright, here we go, guys. Get ready. Move your stops as soon as that high gets taken. Alright, I'll move my stops. 694.75. So now a risk-free trade. Guys, this will literally be 3 out of 3 on the week if we hit TP here. Stops are now break even, so whatever happens, happens. TP1 is about to get smashed, guys. TP1 is about to get smashed. Come on. Give it to me. Another banger trade. Another banger trade. I can already see it. I can see it happening already, guys. It's going to blast through these levels. Once again. We're just too good, guys. We're literally too good. We've hit every single trade this week. That's what I'm saying. Stay in Thailand. Bro, when I'm in Thailand, I'm hitting TPs, guys. I literally operate the best when I'm in Thailand. That's one thing. I just stay here. I make the most money, I operate the best, I'm eating like 5 times a day, I'm hitting the gym, hitting the sauna, hitting the ice bath, like everything's on point, there's a proper structure and routine. Whereas like when I'm in like America and all these other places, I just don't feel right. I gotta wake up at 9:30 AM to trade the market, you know. Here I can sleep in, fucking start trading at 8:30 PM, you know. So, yeah, man. I think I'm staying there, boys, for the time being. Okay, ES took that high. Boys, as soon as this candle closes, I'm going to try my stops at swing low. As long as we create a swing low. Okay, no swing low created, so keeping my stops where they are as the moment. This just looks too good though. If this doesn't hit TB, I'll be very surprised, guys. Very surprised. And also, boys, you know what we're going to do? We're going to run a giveaway for lifetime access. So what I'm going to do is every single person which is on a monthly subscription, right? When you purchase your subscription, you have an option to leave a review. So if you could be so kind, right, highly appreciate it. Leave a review on the Whoop page, okay? Write your experience, what you've learned inside the group, how you've enjoyed it, etc., etc. Just write your whole experience, what you think, right? Be honest. Leave a 5-star positive review on the page. Send it to me on Discord or Telegram, and you'll be entered into the giveaway, right? And I'll be picking 3 winners, 3 people, 3 lucky people to win a lifetime access subscription, which is $1,000, right? So I'm pretty much giving away 3 grand. I'm going to be announcing it officially after the stream is ended. So don't worry, guys. Don't be sending in, the chats just yet. Be patient. I will announce it officially in just 1 second after the stream has ended. Okay. And yeah, I'll be picking 3 winners, and that way it's fair. Everyone's got a fair chance of winning, rather than just deciding on one person. So yeah. If you already have lifetime access, then there's not much that I can do, but I mean, if you want to leave a review, feel free. I'd appreciate it. But yeah, this is mostly just for the monthly subscribers. So if you already have lifetime access, obviously it's not going to affect you. I can't give you lifetime access twice, right? But yeah, mostly for the people that can't afford it, and obviously on the monthly plan they want to stick to lifetime. That's for those type of people, but yeah. Do a meet and greet sometime. Yeah, I was thinking, yeah, we should definitely do a meet and greet. Meet all of you lot in real life one day. That will be fucking jokes. That actually will be jokes. Yeah, boys, if we met up, mate, we would be chilling. We would be chilling. We'd get absolutely wasted. I'm not sure if you lot drink, but if you do, guys, it's my birthday on in 2 days. On the 30th of August, it's my birthday. I'm going to be getting absolutely wasted in the VIP section at the club. So you might see me there. If you're in Pattaya, pull through to the VIP section. I'll be in Republic Club on Friday night. I'll probably be there Saturday night as well. But yeah, I'm turning 21, so it's definitely a big, we've come a long way. I've nearly died twice, and I'm still alive. No idea how. But I'm here, so it's definitely something to celebrate. But yeah, if you lot are in Thailand, come through. We'll have some drinks on me, of course. And yeah, I'd love to meet you boys, honestly. I would love to meet you guys. I'm very humble. I'm not the type of person who's treats people differently, and if they got money, if they don't, I literally don't give a shit. Yeah. Okay, looks like we're getting stopped out of a break even here, boys. Fuck me. What a change of What a change of tables. Thought we were hitting TP there, but nah. Either way, it's all good, guys. It's a break-even trade, so if we get stopped out, couldn't care less. It's a win-win. But yeah, shouldn't really be breaking below that low. If the draw is higher, we should not really be breaking below that low. Right. And yeah, ton of stacked up highs. If it doesn't hit TP, gonna be quite surprising. What other than the screenshot review? That's it, bro. You have to send a screenshot review. That's it. That is absolutely it. Obviously, like, make a detailed review. Write your whole experience in the group. What you enjoyed. You know, was it the course videos? Was it the risk management? Was it the live trading? What is it? Share your results. How it changed your trading. Would you advise it to other people? Would you recommend it? Etc. etc. Right. And yeah, just send a screenshot and you'll be entered in. You can direct message me on Telegram or Discord. Any of them is fine. Are you going to be there with Fnatic? Unfortunately not, guys. Unfortunately not. You know, I'm not going to be there with my brother, which is a bit fucking shit, you know? He's in fucking smelly Texas. He's in smelly Houston. Don't know what he's doing. He's being fucking gay. But he's actually come to his senses, guys. He's come to his senses. And he's decided he's flying to fucking Thailand next month. So I will be seeing him shortly, within like 3 weeks. So yeah. As soon as he lands, we'll definitely have a fucking second birthday. A late one. And we'll get absolutely fucking wasted. So yeah. Trust me. Me and Milo are back together. Oh mate, we make fucking money. Honestly, when me and Milo are together, it's like I'm missing half of my other brain, you know? When the two brains are together, it's over. It's fucking over. Can I do a review for him? Yeah, sure, bro. Boys, somehow the trade is coming back from the dead. I've got no idea how it's happening, but it looks like it's coming back. Let's see. If this ends up hitting TP, this will be the greatest comeback of all time. Bro, just help me pass the eval. Let's go, man. Good shit. Let's get some wins and results. Send them in to the chat, boys. Send them in. Send them in. If I retire off your strat, I'm flying my ass to Thailand. I'll see you on the R1, bro. I'll see you fucking pulling up on the R1, mate. Better fucking ship that bike, mate. Get it shipped over. We'll be getting fucking active on the streets. Yeah, boys, the amount of times I've been stop loss edge is crazy. I'm the king of this shit. How can one educate himself to jump in when he says his setup? No hesitating, just executing. Well, it's simply yourself. It's literally yourself, you know? Stop hesitating. Focus on taking the correct trades. That's all you have to do. As long as you take the correct trade, doesn't matter if it's a win or a loss, as long as you know that you're taking the correct fucking trade, that is it. You execute and you enter, that's it. There's nothing else to think about. Once the model presents itself, that is it. You click a button and you let the trade play out. That is trading, okay? And if you can't do that, then trading's not for you. Find a different career, you know? And that's just the raw truth reality that you have to hit. You know, stop being don't be rude. I'm not saying this to you directly, whoever asked the question in the chat, but to the general population, just stop being a bitch, right? And press the fucking button. You see your model, you've backtested, you've done all this stuff, right? You've educated yourself, and when you see your model, you start hesitating. There's no reason to hesitate. There's no reason to think. Why are you thinking? You see your model, boom, done. You either enter long or you enter short. That's it. There's nothing to think about. There's no reason why you should be hesitating. And if you are hesitating, then you're most likely not confident in your model. So maybe you haven't educated yourself enough, or you haven't backtested enough to actually trust the model. Because I know, right, I've got years of data and I know this shit works. So when I see the model, I am in, I enter. Okay, there's no hesitation at all. And that's probably why you're hesitating, right? Because you don't really trust your model. You don't have confidence in it. So, yeah. Yeah, or you're risking too much. You know, some people, they hesitate because they have too much capital on the line, and you know, they're kind of emotional and scared because they're too attached to the money. Whereas if you're risking a nice amount where you don't care if you lose it, you're not going to hesitate, you're going to enter, right? You don't care if you lose $1, right? You're going to enter that trade. But because you have so much money on the line, you might hesitate. Honestly, that are kind of friends you want, people with good vibes and all the same goal. Hard to hang around folks that ain't on the same road. You really are who you hang with, hence I write solo for the most part. Yeah, bro, I mean, solo is good. Obviously having a group of brothers that you trust and can make money with is 10 times better. But, you know, if you can't find that, then obviously don't surround yourself with just people for the sake of it and, you know, go down the wrong path potentially. Because, yeah, you are definitely who you hang with, so. Bro, how did we not get stopped out, guys? How the fuck did we not get stopped out? Holy shit. Yeah, I'll post it in the announcements chat, bro. Don't worry. Alright, here we go, boys. Here we go. Let's smash that TP. I'm gonna move my stops down next swing low there. 696.50. So yeah, literally break even trade now. We're so close. Price just doesn't want to. It's gonna break through. It will break through in just 1 minute, guys. Just give it some time. It needs a Red Bull here. It's gonna push through any second now. Yeah, amazing guys. If you've done the review, just send it to either my Discord, so direct message me on Discord, or text me on Telegram under this app, all capitals, BK0111. So either send it on Telegram or send it on Discord. You can direct message me on Discord. I'll be announcing the winner on Sunday. So we'll do a backtesting stream, Sunday recap, and on that stream we'll just do a spin the wheel and we'll pick the winner, 3 winners there. Oh my god, just hit TP. I've not got all day. Like,
Order filled.
boom. There we go, guys. TP1 smashed. Close 80% there. Got 2 more contracts sitting at that external buy side level there, which should get hit any second now. But yeah, I'll be out fully there, guys, if you're not holding multiple contracts.
Order filled.
There we go, TP2 smash. Let's go, boys. What a absolute banger trade. Boys, we are on an absolute winning streak, mate. 3 out of 3 on the week, back-to-back days. We just hit it. We keep hitting TPs. We keep hitting TPs, guys. Who the fuck caught that one? Who the fuck caught that one, boys? The biggest, honestly, stop loss edge king. Let's quickly break this trade down, guys. So why did we take this? ES came down, it swept London lows, right? So we had a form of session liquidity sweep, right? NQ had a bullish SMT. We was waiting for the second macro, right? So all of this stuff is outside the macro, as we didn't take it. Second macro comes along, we create a displacement, a market structure shift, a clear fair value gap. We get an entry inside that fair value gap at exactly 10.45, right? Stop loss goes below this down close candle here. We're treating this as a breakaway gap. We're not expecting price to come back down into this one. Hence, we've already broken above this swing high, right? So we're expecting this down close candle to hold. We're treating this as an order block paired with the gap. And we're going to trade this continuation towards external buy side liquidity. So we enter long, stop goes below there, risking like 20 handles, right? And we target this as our first TP, and obviously this external high here as our second TP. So once price comes up, we break the swing high, we try our stops below this swing low, price comes down, nearly stops us out by what, 2 or 3 handles, doesn't stop us out, and then pushes towards our TP. Absolutely insane. So yeah, boys, that is going to be me done for the day. I'm calling it there, right? I'll catch you lot in tomorrow's live stream, and we'll see if we can get another winning trade tomorrow. If we get another banger trade tomorrow, that will be a crazy week. But yeah, right now I want an insane win streak. 3 back-to-back days of just pure wins. So we'll see if the streak continues tomorrow. But yeah, boys, I'm going to be calling it a day there. I am out. Hope you lot enjoyed the live stream. Hope you lot learned something and made some money. And other than that, guys, have a great day. I'll catch you on the next one. Take it easy, boys.